Hi everybody, welcome back to Pink K-Pop Academy and welcome back to the 30-day beginner program. So today we are doing day 3 of ATEEZ Promise, which is where we're going to put both days of choreography together, see how it all fits together and practice it a couple of times with the music, okay? So let's just go right back to the very beginning, okay? So we go bit by bit. We had no one, take, bring those hands up, you step that foot together, remember to move the heel, you and spin, down, jump and wah, wah, way, no, wah, na, ye, promise, ooh, 1, 2, ooh, no one, take, flick, you, flick, down, up, 1, 2, wah, wah, way, beat and out, out, don't worry, I'll be there, 별처럼 빛나. Okay, I don't think there's anything too tricky or too complicated about anything in there, so we're just going to do it one more time and then we'll get straight into the music, okay? And we'll go 70, 80, 90, 100, and you guys can do whatever speed you need. But first, let's go from the start. One more time, here we go. 3, 4, no one, take, you, down, jump, wah, wah, way, no, na, yeah, promise, 2, boom, ta, ta, woo, no one, take, you, down, 1, 2, wah, wah, way, and 1, 2, don't worry, I'll be there. 별처럼 빛나. Okay, let's get the music and see how it goes all together. 3, 4.
언젠간 닿겠지 꽃이 지고 어둠이 널 삼
Three, four. One, two, three, four, one. Ha! Beat and one, two. Awesome, well done. Three, four. One, two, three, four, one, two, two. One, two. Beat and one, two. So again.
날이 언젠간 닿겠지 꽃이 지고 어둠이 널 삼
Three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two. One, two. Beat. One, two. Last one.
날이 언젠간 닿겠지 꽃이 지고 어둠이 널 삼
Three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two. One, two. Yeah, good job. Three, four. One, two, three, four. One, boom, boom, ta. One, two. Beat. One, two. So again.
언젠간 닿겠지 꽃이 지고 어둠이 널 삼
Three, four. Three, four. Beat. One, two. Last one, let's go, last one. Three, four. Three, four. One, two. One, two. Beat. That's it, well done. Alright guys, well done on those run-throughs for today. Y'all are doing awesome. So you keep doing those as many times as you need to, at whatever speed you need to. And tomorrow, if you're doing the feedback program, definitely grab a video and send it over to me. If you're not doing the feedback program, it's optional to take a video or not, because going forward, we're not going to be comparing this video with another one later on, like we are the Candy and the Love Stick Girls one. But it would still be really, really good for you to take a video to look back on, just to see how you're getting on, or to look back on in the future and see your improvement later on as you go on as a dancer. Okay, so it's up to you. You can take tomorrow's day off if you want, and well deserved if you want to, but I would still advise taking a video just for reference. Okay, so y'all did awesome today, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.